A ship leaves port, and half the story is already fear. The cargo is packed, the route is chosen, the papers are stamped, but none of that guarantees arrival. Wind shifts, pirates circle, fires start, hulls split, crews vanish. One voyage can turn profit into ruin before the owner even hears the news. That is where trade becomes more than movement. It becomes a calculation of risk. We begin at the docks, where merchants watch the horizon, not like dreamers, but like gamblers with fortunes floating on uncertain water. They know the truth early. Commerce only grows when loss becomes survivable. At first, the answer is personal. Families split cargo across ships, partners spread investments, and merchants rely on each other, hoping bad luck only hits part of the network. But as trade expands, hope is no longer enough. Then comes the real breakthrough, not a machine, not a weapon, but a contract. Insurance takes danger and converts it into a price. Now the logic changes fast. Instead of losing everything in one storm, a trader pays a premium in advance. A smaller, predictable loss in exchange for surviving the unpredictable one. Fear does not disappear. It becomes measurable. And once fear can be priced, scale becomes possible. Larger cargoes move, longer routes become thinkable. Investors who never touch the sea can still finance a voyage because risk is no longer a wild unknown. It is written, negotiated, and distributed. But that creates a new power class. Underwriters, brokers, assessors, and record keepers become as important as captains. They do not sail the ship, yet they shape what gets shipped, where it goes, and what it costs. A storm at sea now echoes through paperwork on land. Rates rise, routes change, ports gain favor or lose it. One region becomes safe, another becomes costly, and trade quietly reorganizes itself around confidence. That is the hidden genius of insurance. It does not remove danger. It makes danger governable. And once risk becomes part of the system, finance stops following trade and starts steering it. So, before modern banks ruled commerce, insurance taught the market how to survive fear and profit from it.